you believe I don't have foundation on?
Poison is yet powerful. Love, love.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nazi. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you guys for making me cross 200 subscribers. It's a big deal to me. It might look very small, but it's a big deal to me because I was under 200 subscribers for months and I was like, what's going on? But now I'm over 200 subscribers and I'm on the road to 300 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. In today's video, I'm going to do a no foundation makeup look. This look is going to be beneficial to people that live or stay or travel to humid areas, hot areas, basically like Lagos and Mombasa, basically like the coastal area. You don't want to put a lot of products on your face because it's generally hot, you're going to be sweating. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. So the first thing I usually do is to moisturize my face, and the moisturizer I'm using is the e.l.f. Hydrating Moisturizer. So the primer I'm going to be using is the Revolution primer. So I'm going to start from my T-zone. That's basically where I start to get oily from, and then just put the rest of the primer I have on the other part of my face. Basically just blend everything in. It's time to use my concealer. First of all, I'm going to be using my highlighting concealer before I go with my contour concealer. And the two concealers I'm using today are Cover Fix Concealer in the shade N Deep 1. So for my contour, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place foundation stick in the shade Sokoto. Down like this. I'm so excited about this look because I've not done anything like this before. I usually do foundation before doing anything. I do foundation and then concealer. Then I'll take it to like the bridge of my nose. I need to go with my facials, but I'm very scared because of COVID. Facials has to do with somebody touching your face. I'm like, nah. So I'll be using like facial scrub. I'm going to be using my contour stick here under my chin here like this. Also going back to my highlights concealer, just put a bit here. For blending, I'm going to be using my damp beauty blender. So I'm going to start blending from the part of the face where I applied my concealer first. I'm going to be using my contour brush to like blend the contour in. Blend. I like to like blend my contour all the way down because I like my forehead looking dark like this. I'm just going back with my beauty blender to blend the contour and highlight together so it looks very seamless. So I'm going back into my Juvia's Place foundation stick to contour my nose at the beginning of my brow and take it all the way down. Now that is done, I'll go ahead to set under my eyes. I'm going to be using L'Oreal translucent setting powder. You know how you buy a product and and it's so expensive. I'm not feeling the product, but you don't want to believe the fact that you're not feeling the product. Keep using it. That is my situation now with this powder. I think because of the shade I got, it's not my shade. So what I'm going to do for this powder now, I'm going to mix it up with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder because I'm not understanding this. It's not working out well for me, but I don't want to believe it. I'm going to be mixing the two powders together because this Sacha Buttercup setting powder is too yellow for me. The other one is too white for me. So I think the mixture of both of them will be my perfect shade. So to set over my eyes, I like to use this brush because it's very precise. So while this is baking, I'm going to be doing my brows. And the brow pencil I'm using is Browart by Glam Beauty, which is my brand. You guys, I have my brand though. Hey! So this is the shade number 4. For my eyes, I'm going to use the P. Louise eyeshadow base and apply there. It goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. So the eyeshadow palette I'm using is the Glam Beauty by Nazi eyeshadow palette. Forget this eyeshadow palette. It's actually my daughter's eyeshadow palette. This is not mine. That's why it looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to be using this shade called Toffee. Toffee is a matte neutral cream shade. The next shade I'm going to be using is called Fab. This one here, gorgeous red shade, very gorgeous. I'll just show you guys on the outer corner of my eyelid, and then take the rest in my on the other side. So next I'm going in with the shade Cocoa. Just going to like fill up the eyelid with this really nice shade. Okay, guys, I've actually just done my lashes. I've done basically everything. I like to smudge my under eyes. So for smudging my under eyes, I'm going to be using this shade called Brownie in the Glam Beauty palette. So for my powder contour, I'm not sure I should do that. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Roxy palette, highlight and contour palette, just to contour, to like make my contour look more visible. So for my blush, I'm going to use the Nip and Fab blusher palette, this shade here, which is called the Perfect Coral. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Glam Beauty lipsticks in the shade Rebel and Posh. I'm going to mix them together to form that perfect nude lip. So finally, I'm going to be setting my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Hey guys, this is the finished look. Can you believe I don't have foundation on? I can't believe it either. This look was very quick, Foundation on its own takes a while to apply and it's very light. I don't feel like I have makeup on. Foundation can be heavy. I'm shook. I've never ever worn makeup like this without foundation underneath. That's basically it. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, have a blessed day. Bye.
Can I say bye?
Sabrina, please let me just end my video, okay? Just say bye and go.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Mommy, are you done?
I'm almost done. I'm just saying bye.